For many people, it seemed humanity had finally built the ultimate eye in space. The James Webb Space Telescope was revealing ancient galaxies, distant worlds, and the earliest chapters of cosmic history with breathtaking clarity. With every new discovery, it pushed the boundaries of what astronomers believed was possible. But astronomy never stands still. Even as Webb continued transforming our understanding of the universe, NASA was preparing another extraordinary observatory. Its mission would be completely different. It was never designed to look farther than Webb or produce sharper close-up images. Instead, it was built to answer questions Webb was never meant to solve. Rather than studying one remarkable object at a time, it will observe millions, and eventually billions, of galaxies across the sky. Instead of focusing on a tiny patch of the universe, it will survey enormous regions at once, searching for patterns that only appear on the largest cosmic scales. That observatory is the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope. And many astronomers believe it could become one of the most important scientific missions of this century. At first glance, Roman may not seem especially impressive. Its primary mirror measures 2.4 meters across, the same size as Hubble's and much smaller than James Webb's 6.5-meter mirror. Judging by mirror size alone, it might even appear to be a step backward. But that comparison misses the point. Roman was never built to compete with Webb. It was built to do something Webb cannot. Its greatest strength is its incredibly wide field of view. In a single observation, Roman can image an area of the sky nearly 100 times larger than James Webb while maintaining exceptional image quality. Imagine photographing an entire mountain range. Webb focuses on one spectacular mountain, revealing every ridge and valley in extraordinary detail. Roman captures the entire landscape, showing how every mountain connects to the next. Neither telescope replaces the other. Together, they revealed two completely different views of the universe. James Webb studies individual galaxies, distant exoplanets, and the earliest structures formed after the Big Bang. Roman is designed to study the universe as a whole. Many of cosmology's greatest mysteries cannot be solved by examining one galaxy at a time. They require surveys containing millions, or even billions, of galaxies. Only then do hidden patterns begin to emerge. Roman was built for exactly that purpose. Instead of asking what one galaxy looks like, it asks how billions of galaxies behave together across cosmic history. That question leads directly to one of the greatest mysteries in modern science. Everything we can see, every star, planet, galaxy, cloud of gas, and every atom that makes up life, accounts for only about 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% appears to consist of two invisible components known as dark matter and dark energy. Scientists cannot see them directly, but their effects are visible throughout the cosmos. Dark matter first revealed itself through gravity. When astronomers measured how galaxies rotate, they discovered that the visible matter inside them could not generate enough gravity to hold them together. The outer stars were moving far too quickly. According to every calculation, they should have escaped into space long ago. But they never did. Something unseen was providing enormous amounts of additional gravity. Astronomers called that invisible substance dark matter. Dark energy is even more mysterious. Observations show that the universe is not only expanding, it is expanding faster over time. Some unknown force appears to be driving space itself apart. This is where Roman becomes truly revolutionary. Instead of photographing dark matter directly, Roman will observe how its gravity bends the light from distant galaxies. According to Einstein's theory of general relativity, mass curves spacetime, and light follows those curves. As light passes through massive concentrations of invisible matter, distant galaxies appear slightly stretched and distorted. This effect is called gravitational lensing. The distortion is incredibly small. Looking at a few galaxies reveals very little. Looking at billions changes everything. Roman will measure the shapes of nearly 2 billion galaxies, creating the largest gravitational lensing survey ever conducted from space. Those tiny distortions will allow astronomers to build enormous three-dimensional maps of dark matter, revealing the invisible cosmic framework that has shaped the universe for billions of years. And that is only the beginning. While Roman is mapping the hidden structure of the universe, it will also investigate another mystery just as profound. What is causing the universe to expand faster and faster over time? Roman's mission goes far beyond mapping dark matter. It will measure how the universe has expanded across nearly 10 billion years of cosmic history. By observing thousands of Type Ia supernovae along with the large-scale distribution of galaxies, Roman will create one of the most detailed records of cosmic expansion ever assembled. Those observations will help astronomers determine whether dark energy has remained constant throughout the universe's history or whether its influence has changed over time. The answer could transform modern physics. If dark energy behaves exactly as Einstein predicted, one of cosmology's greatest theories will become even stronger. But if Roman detects even the slightest difference, it could point toward entirely new laws of physics. Either outcome would be a major scientific breakthrough. Roman's mission extends far beyond cosmology. During its surveys, the telescope will continuously monitor nearly 100 million stars near the center of the Milky Way. Its goal is to detect a phenomenon known as microlensing. When a star or planet passes in front of a more distant star, its gravity briefly magnifies the background light. If a planet is present, it produces a small but unmistakable signal. Unlike missions such as Kepler and TESS, which mainly discover planets passing in front of their stars, microlensing can reveal colder and far more distant worlds that are almost impossible to detect using other methods. Scientists expect Roman to discover thousands of new exoplanets, including many that resemble the outer planets of our own solar system. These discoveries will help reveal how common planetary systems like ours truly are throughout the Milky Way. Yet history suggests Roman's greatest discoveries may be the ones nobody expects. Every major space telescope has uncovered surprises. Hubble revealed that the expansion of the universe is accelerating. James Webb discovered galaxies that appeared more massive and more evolved than many astronomers expected in the early universe. Roman will survey the sky on an unprecedented scale. That makes unexpected discoveries almost inevitable. It may uncover rare gravitational lenses, previously unseen cosmic explosions, entirely new classes of astronomical objects, or phenomena that scientists have not even imagined. That is often how astronomy moves forward. The universe rarely limits itself to the questions we prepare to ask. Perhaps Roman's greatest strength is not that it replaces James Webb. It completes it. Roman will scan enormous regions of the sky, identifying the most unusual galaxies, mysterious structures, and unexpected cosmic events. James Webb can then focus its powerful mirror on those targets, studying them in extraordinary detail. One telescope finds the mysteries. The other investigates them. Together, they become far more powerful than either could ever be alone. That partnership marks the beginning of a new era in astronomy. For decades, scientists have often been forced to choose between studying individual objects in great detail or surveying vast regions of the sky. Roman and Webb finally allow both approaches to work together. One reveals the universe on its largest scales. The other uncovers its finest details. Together, they provide a more complete picture of the cosmos than ever before. In the end, Roman is far more than another space telescope. It represents an entirely new way of exploring the universe. Rather than focusing on isolated discoveries, it will measure the cosmos as a connected system, revealing how billions of galaxies, invisible dark matter, and mysterious dark energy have shaped everything we see. With surveys spanning nearly 2 billion galaxies, observations of 100 million stars, and the ability to uncover patterns no previous mission could detect, Roman promises to answer some of astronomy's greatest questions. At the same time, it will almost certainly raise entirely new ones. And perhaps that is the most exciting part. When the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope begins its mission, humanity will gain far more than another observatory. We will gain an entirely new perspective on the universe. For the first time, we may begin to see not only the individual pieces of the cosmic puzzle, but the larger picture they have been forming all